Hi, this is Natalie Berth, host of the LinkedIn for Founders Masterclass. This business owner has given me explicit permission to publicly review their profile. This review is not comprehensive. I'm only pointing out a few things I notice. And remember, none of us have been taught how to leverage LinkedIn as founders and business owners, so no judgment, please. Let's get started. This tribute is TJ Ford. She is a death coach and an end of life educator. And right off the bat, I would say that her LinkedIn banner is a really beautiful picture, but I also think it's a lost opportunity to talk about what she does. She could, if she wanted to, if there's some kind of compelling reason to keep this picture, fade it out a little bit and then put some kind of wording across it so that you can see what she does. But the picture doesn't tell anything about what she does do. She is another founder, again, not uncommon, where it's a little bit light on a few things, but she's also doing two very different things, right? She's a writer and editor as well as an end of the life educator. One challenge is I don't know what a willow end of the life educator is. And so when I reviewed her profile, I didn't see a really clear description as to what that meant. Um, the other thing I would like to see is, and I'm a big fan, you'll hear me talk about this a lot. I really want business pages because it gives you an opportunity to put the bulk of the information on that. It also gets to show off a little bit of your brand right here in the favicon. Okay. And then she's got all the certifications, which I also really like, which I think is really great. Okay. So that is just a little quick and dirty. And by the way, if you have you'll notice this, but if you have a business page, even if these are two different business pages, that's totally fine. If you have a business page and the logo is showing up there, it'll also show up again here. So it gives you an opportunity. It's constantly reinforcing your logo, your colors, the mood, the feeling that you want to have on this. And I think that's about it. So this looks great. Oh, by the way, this is also a really nice ad. My newsletter, you can click on here and sign up for her newsletter, which is a good letter, by the way. Okay, so a big thank you to TJ Ford for letting me review her profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do it. Thanks.